support each other. One umuntu wenze mistake masikamgxeki masamkhalazeni asithi makaphinda zama yabona ne motivate ourselves because once sanengxaki umuntu upasa wrong siba ne-attitude towards each other so masibaleke i-attitude esaba nayo yokusenza abantu asikwazi ukuperform and siyabona ne. Number 2.
Okay, how's it guys? We're here with some players from the Cofimvaba Bulldogs. Are you guys ready for the match?
Yeah, we are ready for the match. We have been doing gym for a little while. But then there's nothing I can say about the match, how we play. Depends on our opponents because we don't know them. It's our first time to see them. We have played in here, but not here, this section. So we don't know our opponents, so we cannot say much about the game. Thank you.
Okay, what are your names and your positions?
My name is Misuli Ndakhala and I'm playing number 11, winger.
My name is Mafanya and I play as a prop.
My name is Tano, I play as a flank. My name is Sakani Makaka, I play as a wing, number 13.
Okay, we will watch out for you guys. Good luck for the match.
Just luck.
Right, I'm sitting here with the captain, vice captain of the Mdantsane Hurricanes under 21. Guys, congratulations on your victory. What have you got to say about the match?
Okay, mandiqale ngibulise kubo bonke ababukeli abakhoyo. Ndibabulela ngokusixhasa kule nto besinayo. Into endifuna uyitsho igame besinayo namhlanje bingalulanga ngoba amakhwenkwe asezilalini ngayo noko aqinile. Ngoko ke nathi ngabantu nje bebezofunda ibhola sesafunda nto. Siyathemba ke ngoku nabo abazutyhafa kule nto bazemva sathi gqi phambili thina. Ngakhe ndinikele nakuwe ndaba.
Yo mandibulele man. Mathitha sinike game time right nangona senze friendly matches and then siboneni mistakes zethu sizawulungisa na ku trainings. Yeah, nanga mazami enza abantu. thetha.
Okay, enkosi.
Sure.
Ngosi mfundisi.